Review the Plotagon 2021 animations. Presents. Roy's Bedoys wishes Woody Woodpecker on happy birthday / grounded. Man. I cannot believe today is Woody Woodpecker's 81st birthday. What should I do? How about if I wish Woody Woodpecker on happy birthday? Ha 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 ha. So he will cry and be sad. But first let's go to his house. When Roy's Bedoys got to Woody Woodpecker's house.
Roy's Bedoys, what are you doing here in my 81st birthday? What do you want?
Unhappy birthday Woody Woodpecker. Unhappy birthday Woody Woodpecker. Unhappy birthday. Unhappy birthday. Unhappy birthday Woody Woodpecker.
Ooh, Roy's Bedoys. How dare you wish me unhappy birthday? That's it. I'm calling your parents. Go home right now.
Wah.
Roy's Bedoys. How dare you wish Woody Woodpecker an unhappy birthday? You know wishing someone an unhappy birthday is heartless. That's it. You're single coatee grounded for 25 weeks. Go to your room right now.
Wah.